Have you ever struggled to get your text aligned just right in React Native? It can be a real headache, especially when you're trying to position it perfectly. If that sounds like you, stick around, because today we're diving into how to vertically align text using NativeBase. I totally get it. Trying to align text vertically can feel like an uphill battle. You're not alone in this. Many developers face this challenge when working with layouts in React Native. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Is there a way to align text vertically in React Native? I'm trying to position it at the bottom, but I can't find a good way to do it." Does this sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what makes vertical alignment tricky in React Native? It often comes down to how Flexbox works and the properties you can use. Understanding these can help you achieve the layout you want. And don't go anywhere. I have a quick tip at the end that will make your layout work even smoother. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To vertically align text in React Native using NativeBase, the user should start by ensuring they have NativeBase installed in their project. This can be done by running a simple command in the terminal. Next, the user should import the necessary components from NativeBase. This includes the box and text components, which will help in creating the layout. Now, the user can create a box component that will serve as a container for the text. To align the text vertically at the bottom, they should use the flex property along with justify content. Finally, the user should render the box component within their main application component. This will display the text aligned at the bottom of the screen. Fun fact, did you know that Flexbox was originally designed for web layouts? Now it's a go-to for mobile development too. It's amazing how one concept can bridge different platforms. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the text-align vertical property in React Native version 0.55.2 or higher. They demonstrate this with a text input component, where you can set the text align and text align vertical styles to center the text vertically. This approach works with both flex, and a set height for the text component, allowing for flexible vertical alignment. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative approach for vertical text alignment in React Native using NativeBase involves different cases based on the number of text elements and their font sizes. For a single text element, you can use flex properties like align items and justify content for centering. If you have two text elements with different font sizes, the larger text can be aligned using the same flex method, while the smaller text may require adjustments to its font size without using height attributes. In cases where the smaller text must use height, you can apply padding and include font padding to achieve proper alignment. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One alternative solution for vertical alignment in React Native is to use a safe area view. This user suggests wrapping your content in a safe area view with specific styles. Setting flex to 1 allows the child view to take up all available space. You can use justify content to center the content vertically and align items to center it horizontally. Additionally, you can apply text align center directly to the text element to center the text itself. However, this method only centers the text and may not work for multiple elements that need alignment. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using Flexbox for vertical alignment. They recommend setting justify content to flex and to position your text at the bottom. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using a scroll view to push the text down to the bottom of the screen. They mention that this method may not be the prettiest, but it works. Another option they offer is to use a flex style. By adding a flex property to a view, you can also achieve vertical alignment of the text at the bottom. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always test your layout on different screen sizes. This will ensure your text aligns perfectly, no matter the device. And there you have it. You should now be able to align your text vertically in React Native with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. And don't forget to check out our next video for more layout tricks.